Hi guys, I got this brand new battery straight from the battery shop this evening. I put it into this little Honda Civic here, and it sounds tired. I don't know if it's a battery yet. Maybe it's a battery that's just too small, or the battery they've sold me is bad. I doubt it's bad, but I think you have a look. You let me know in the comment section. What do you think? 12.3, 12.4, 12.4 volts at the moment. I haven't tried to run it for maybe a minute. Ignition on. Let me try cranking it. 8.4 volts is what I saw is the lowest reading. What do you think, guys? This battery is a 300 cold cranking amp battery, brand new, 12 volts on this little 1.3 liter engine, I believe they are. 1974 Honda Civic. What do you reckon, guys? Is this a dead battery? Should I take this battery back? Oh, what the? And I know I've got a multimeter that's a little bit faulty too, so don't. Let's see, what is it reading? Sorry, guys, I've lost the light. I lost a bit of contact then on the terminals. Yeah, let me know, guys. What do you reckon? Battery, take it back, or buy a bigger battery? I saw a little bit of smoke coming out from the starter motor just then. After cranking it a number of times, I don't know if that starter motor is actually going bad. Maybe that's where the problem is. Or it's actually this battery here. We'll see what we can do with this. I'll try my best to have this car running soon. Maybe I have to clean up some terminals, some connections, who knows. Let me know. What do you reckon? Auto electricians out there, what should I do?